So, welcome to the another class regarding advertising agency. Okay. So last class we have discussed regarding advertising appeal in various stages of PLC. Okay. That again I asked you to send an assignment regarding this also. So today we will be starting with the unit two, that is advertising agency. So you come across this word, advertising agency. Okay, if you are doing businesses, if you have gone through any businesses, okay, if you have participated in any event where people use different advertising agencies to market their products. So what is before going to advertising agency, just read the statement. The work of a tailor is to collect the raw material, find the matching threads, cut the cloth in desired shape, finally stitch the cloth and deliver it to the customer. So that is the role of a tailor. The same as a tailor, advertising agency work. What type of design required for you? What suits your business? Okay. And what are the different methods to be used? Okay. What ad plans he has to go for? Okay. Plans how, when, and where it should be delivered, and hands it over to the client. That is the role of the advertising agency. So advertising agencies are mostly not dependent on any organization. They are separate agencies. Whatever the task is given by the organization, they work according to it and they provide the advertisement. So these agencies take all the efforts for selling the products of the clients. They have a group of people expert in their particular fields is helping the companies or organization to reach their target customer in an easy and simple way. Okay, that is the role of an advertising agency. If you see, the first advertising agency was William Taylor in 1786, followed by James Jem White in 1800 in London and Reynolds and Son in 1812. So these are the first agencies, advertising agency, which came to existence. Now, role of advertising agencies, what role they play? So creating an advertise on the basis of information gathered about the product. Okay, they uh, create and advertise on the basis of the information which is provided by the organization regarding the product. So doing research on the company and the product and reaction of the customers. That is the second role what they play. Okay, how they do the research with the customers. Okay, they always would like to know about the company and the products which are offered by them and how people react to it. Third one, planning for type of media to be used, which media we are going to use in this process, when and where to be used, and for how much time to be used. That is the biggest role played by the advertising agency. A particular ad, how much time it should take. So taking the feedbacks from the clients as well as the customer, and then deciding the further line of action. So that will be the role of advertising agency. Next, if we go, what actually happens? So all companies can do this work by themselves. Yes, any company can come up with advertising agency they can do, but they can make ads, print or advertise them on television or other media places. So they can manage the accounts also. That can also be done by the promotional team of the company. So then why do they need advertising agency? The reason behind hiring the advertising agency by the companies are, the first is the agencies are expert in this field. Specifically, they have come up their business only for this reason. When you are having an organization or when you want to do marketing also, you have to use head there also. So that will be the problem. But these people are specially expert in this. Okay. So they have a team of different people for different functions like copywriters, art directors, and planners also. Okay. For example, if I remember, there was a song called Crazy 4. I don't know whether you people remember it or not, by Hrithik Roshan. When I was in degree, Crazy 4 song came. So the Hrithik was performed the Sony Walkman series advertisement also. The music was copied in that song, so it was showed there. Okay, that is all copyright thing comes. And even when the song came in this Dabang movie, Chandu Bam movie, Munni. So that again, the case was filed by Jandubam company. Again, the matter was settled. That is all come as a copywriting. Okay, whenever you're doing, it has to be copyright. And even Sehwag was put a case on people using his voice in Pepsi ad. So these are all copyrights. Okay. So the agencies make optimum use of these people, their experience and their knowledge because they are expertise in different aspects. They work with an objective and rare very professional. So hiring them leads in saving the cost up to some extent because and effectively working. So these are the reason why company hire the agencies. Now there are basically five types of advertising agency. The first one is full service agency. So they are very large in size, okay, and they deals with all stages of advertisement, all whatever part comes. Different expert people for different departments start work from gathering data and analyzing and ends on payment of bills to the media people. Now, if you see this, this is the hierarchy and of products or services which are provided by the full service agencies. Okay, board of management, account director, account executive, and assistant account executive. They will be having creative, marketing, research, media team, and administration and other activities. We see here in creative, copy, print TV, cinema, radio, art and layout TV, storyboards, print production, TV, cinema, and radio production, and traffic. That is the role of creative team. Marketing team, merchandising, and public relation. Research, statistical staff, and field interviews will be done. There are separate people who will be doing this expertise. Media, media planning, media buying, outdoor cinema, TV, press, they will be doing it. Administration and other activities, new business seeking, finance and accounting, and office personnel and training. That will be done by this department. This is about full services. Second is interactive agencies. So they are modernized modes of communications are used. Use online advertisement, sending personal messages on mobile phones, emails, okay, using the cookies, okay. The ads produced are very interactive, having very new concepts and very innovative. So these are called interactive agencies. Now, creative botics. So who are they? So they are very creative and innovative ads. Okay. No other function is performed other than creating actual ads. Small side agency with their own copywriters, directors, and creative people. They all focus on creative things, always the new creative aspect they think. You might have seen advertisement of Vodafone, Zuzu ads. Okay, they are very creative in nature. So those all fall under the creative buttons. Media buying agencies, best places for advertise and sell it to the advertisers, especially newspaper, paper, you can say newspaper places. Okay, and the I think you might know half a page is cost around depends on newspaper. Okay, it half if a paper newspaper is there in one side paper, if one fourth place you are taking, you have to pay 1.5 lakh for advertisement. That much it will cost. Okay, sells time in which advertisement will be placed, especially Independence Day, election time, near Yugadi time, or Deepavali time. Okay, schedule slots at different television channels and radio stations. What serial, which serial important, who watch what most serials, what times, that there the cost will be high for advertising. Okay, and you might have seen the famous the serials. The serial will be for half an hour, but 15 minutes only will be the advertisements. Okay, and radio stations also. Finally, supervisors or check whether the ads has been telecasted at update time and place or not. That will be the rule. They will be checked, cross-checked. Next is in-house agencies. So as good as the full service agencies. Okay. So big organization prefer these type of agency which are built inbuilt and work only for them. These agency work as per the requirement of the organizations. So there are some specialized agency which work for some special advertisement. These type of agency need people for special knowledge in that field. So if you see example advertisement showing social messages, okay, be home, stay safe, say take care of yourself. Reliance Industries, Tata Industry, okay, Sikab, they all do this. Next, finance advertisements, medicine related ads. So these are all specific ads which are required. Okay, so these are all about the types of agencies. Now, the criteria or before selecting any agency, what we should follow. Okay, the advertiser should consider the following factor while selecting an advertising agencies. First, agency team. So an agency has to possess management experts, market researchers, production manager, art director, copywriters, media experts, and others. The quality and expertise of these specialist team is considered while finalizing the agency. The first thing when you are choosing any agency, you have to look the team first. Second, you have to go for ranges of services rendered by that particular agency. Okay, whether they are providing full service agency or specialized agency. So an advertiser should keep in mind that type of services required to be hired. Third thing which has to be seen is research activities. Advertising agencies should consider the type of research activities conducted by the companies, because there are market research companies or advertising research companies or both, because research plays an important role. Through research only we can design and we can come up with what actually people need and what they think of your product. Next, success rate. The advertisers may look at the various accounts already handled by an agency and the success rate. If I tell you an example, I hope you all remember, especially made by the Fevikwik, okay, Fevicol company ads. If you just go and check YouTube, you will find the very creative advertisement and the success rate is very high. Same with the Vodafone advertisements, very high level. Nowadays, if you see the Cred advertisement, which has came up for typical, okay, you have seen Rahul Dravid, who never angry man. You have seen his advertisement showing very angry. And recently, again, they have come up with Venkatesh Prasad, Sabha Karim, Srinath, okay, and Mahindra Lala. They have come up with the, especially a dude song with them. So that all something called a new thing which they have brought. Okay, creativity. These type of advertisement come up with the success rate. Need of marketing plans. It is necessary to see whether the assistance in preparing the marketing plans can be provided by the agency. Okay. So in case of clients with a new product, it's necessary to consider this factor, because how you are going through initial stage, growth stage, and maturity stage, marketing plan should be there. Compatibility, it means the personal equation of the advertisers with the client. Okay. There can be perfect harmony and cordial relation between client and agency when there is a compatibility. Now, a need marketing plan you have already done in your T plan presentation in second semester. Okay, you have gone through how you are going to market your products through marketing plan, how much budget you are going to allot it, that you already done. Stability of agency. So the selection of agency depends upon the regular and stable services provided in that particular line. So it's a commitment in fulfilling the accepted task is noteworthy. So the known agencies are preferred to the new ones. So that is the stability you have to check. Then you have to check about the creativity. So advertising needs creativity. An agency having good team of creative persons is selected because it is the main factor in making advertisement different and attractive. So you can't come up with the same advertisement all the time. People looking for a creative humor thing, then only they will pay attention. They watch it more and more. So these aspects you have to consider while you are selecting an agency.